Good morning children. Today we will learn our mathematics chapter 10 measurement of weight. Everyone open your book page number 107. Children, the standard way to use the measurement in early times was by balance. Everyone know? देखो, it is your balance. Early people use balance to measure of the weight. Okay, देखो it is the balance. Here it is the weight of 1 kg. It is the weight of 2 kg, 5 kg, 10 kg and 20 kg. These are the weightage and this is the balance. Children, weight of an object can be measured. Weight of an object can be measured in gram and kilogram. First, kilogram is the, listen children, kilogram is the standard unit of weight. Standard unit of weight, kilogram. First we know about the standard unit of weight. First we know the gram and kilogram. Gram and kilogram. Gram and kilogram are the standard unit of measurement of weight. First we know about the gram. Children, we express the weight of light objects by using grams. In short form, we written gram as small g. Okay, gram we written as small g. If we express the weight of any lighter object, we measure with gram. For example, the weight of a chocolate we measure with gram. The weight of a pencil or eraser or crayons we measure with gram. Lighter objects we measure with gram. Okay. Next, kilogram. Kilogram, weight of heavy object can be found in kilogram. The weight of, देखो जो भी heavier object को measure करने के लिए हम क्या use करेंगे? किलोग्राम यूज करेंगे. ओके, सपोज वी मेजर द बास्केट ऑफ टोमेटो, वी मेजर विथ किलोग्राम. ओके, किलोग्राम इज रिटन एज केजी, स्मॉल के स्मॉल जी. ओके, वी रिटन एज केजी. सपोज 5 केजी, ऐसे 5 केजी ऐसे लिखना है. 10 केजी ऐसे 10 किलोग्राम. किलोग्राम इज शॉर्ट रिटन एज केजी एंड ग्राम जी. ऐसे सपोज 5 ग्राम 5g g डॉट. सपोज 50 ग्राम 50g. ओके, 60 ग्राम 60g. ओके, ग्राम को ऐसे लिखना है और केजी को ऐसे लिखना है. ओके चिल्ड्रन, कीप इट इन माइंड 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. ओके, 1 kg is 1000 gram. देखो चिल्ड्रेन, now we read the addition and subtraction of weight. देखो एक्सरसाइज 10.1. देखो एक्सरसाइज 10.1. ओके, देखो फाइंड द सम ऑफ, और क्वेश्चन फाइंड द सम ऑफ 70 kg, 28 kg and 256 kg. okay, we have to add these three numbers. देखो here is 256 plus 70 plus 28. ओके, देखो ऐड करो. 6 plus 8 is 14. Here 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. Here 1 3. ओके, 3 देखो ऐसे केजी लिखना है. ओके, केजी it is your kg. ओके, the total amount is 354 kg. All have understood? ऐसे we add the measurement of weight. Okay, we add the weight. Next we subtract. देखो how we subtract the weight. देखो suppose find the difference between, our question is find the difference find the difference (450 kg and 150 kg. We have to find the difference between these two number. देखो माइनस करो डिफरेंस kg minus 150 kg माइनस करो 0 5 minus 5 0 3 kg 300 kg. Okay, in this way you have to complete exercise 10.1 in your copy. Okay, next we learn conversion of weight. Okay, conversion of weight. How we convert the gram into kilogram and kilogram into gram. First we know conversion of weight kilogram into gram. Conversion of weight kilogram into gram. Into gram. Okay, to convert kg into gram, we multiply the given number by 1000. Okay, देखो suppose we have to कर देखो 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, 1000 gram. Here 2 kg is your how many gram? Tell me. 2 kg is your 2 into 1000 gram is equal to 2000 gram. Okay, 2000 gram. Suppose 5 kg is here. 5 kg how many gram? 5 kg is equal to 5 into 1000 we multiply by 1000 gram is equal to 5000 gram. Okay, देखो एक देखो next. Suppose we convert 6 kg 250 gram. Okay, we convert into gram. The total 6 kg is 250 gram we convert with the gram. देखो first we 6 kg first we convert the 6 kg into gram. देखो 6 kg is your 6 how many gram? 6 into 1000 gram plus 250 gram. Okay, yes, 6 into 1000 6000 gram plus 250 gram. Okay, then add these two number. Yes, 6250 gram. All understood? Okay, it is your conversion of kilogram into gram. Next we know conversion of gram into kilogram. देखो conversion of gram into kilogram. Gram into kilogram. Listen children, when we conversion of a kilogram into gram, we multiply the given number by 1000. But when we conversion of gram into kilogram, we divide the given number by 1000. Okay, देखो here 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. All understood? देखो we divide देखो suppose your 2000 gram is your 2000 gram is equal to 1 by sorry 2 given number 2000 by 1000. Okay, 2000 by 1000 here is equal to 2 kg. All understood? तब देखो suppose 500 gram is equal to how many kg? Here 5000 by 1000 is your 5 kg. Okay, okay, देखो next example. It is very easy for everyone. देखो suppose the given suppose 7,885 gram is equal to how many kg? Okay, we divide this number by 1. देखो divide this number by 1000 by 1000. Okay, it is your how many 7 kg 7 kg क्या 885 ग्राम. Okay, 7 kg. Okay, 7 kg 885 gram. In this way you have to complete exercise 10.2 in your copy. Then addition of weight. देखो addition of weight. Suppose find the sum of our question is find the sum of (28 kg 450 gram and 64 kg 920 gram. देखो children, first we arrange the kg and gram. Here we will do a kg column and a gram column. Okay, first we देखो 28 kg we put the kg 28 kg you write 28 under the kg column and 450 gram under the gram column. Next 64 kg, here write 64 under the kg column and 920 under the gram column. All understood? Then add these two number. Add करो. देखो 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 2 is 7, 9 plus 4 plus 9 is 13. Carry 1. Okay. 8 plus 9. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. Here 1, 3 plus 6 9. Okay. 9 kg 370 gram. Okay. All understood? 93 kg 370 gram. Okay. It is your addition of weight. Then we know the word problem. In this way you also solve the you also do the subtraction of weightage. Okay. Then we know the word problem. Word problem. देखो children, our question is Mona brought 20 kg of potato, 10 kg 500 gram of onion, 1 kg 400 gram of tomato and 240 gram garlic. So what is the total weightage of all the vegetable brought by him? What we will do? Yes, we add the three number, add the total vegetables. Here our solution is first weightage of potato. We write total weight of potato. Weight of potatoes is equal to 20 kg. About kg, here gram. 20 kg. How many gram? 20 kg. Yes. And onion 10 kg 500 gram onion. Weightage of onion. Weight of onion is 10 kg 500 gram. Okay. Next weight of tomato. Weight of tomato is 1 kg 400 gram. Then weight of garlic. Garlic is 240 gram. Only you write a gram. Okay, add these three numbers. Our question is what is the total weight of the vegetables brought by him. So we add this total number. देखो add करो 0 4 5 plus 4 is 9 11 here 1 2 3 32 kg 140 gram. Okay, thus the total weight of all the vegetable is 32 kg 140 gram. All of you understood? In this way you have to do exercise 10.3 in your copy. Okay, then subtraction of weight. चलो then subtraction of weight. देखो our question is subtract, for example 1, subtract 15 kg 955 gram from 43 kg 768 gram. Okay, देखो हम कैसे you will do the kg column and gram column. Okay, kg. Next put the, it is the bigger number, so you subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. First you write the 43 kg, here write 43 under the kg column, then 768 under the gram column. उसके बाद 15 kg, here 15 in the under the kg column and 955 the gram column. All understood? Then subtract sign, put the subtract sign. Subtract करो, देखो 8 minus 5 is 3, 6 minus 5 is 1. Here देखो we never subtracted 9 from 7, so carry 1. Carry 1, here 1, 17 minus 9 8. Here is the 2, here 1. देखो carry 1, 12 minus 5 7 2. Okay, 27 kg. All of you understood? 27 kg 813 gram. Okay, then we will see a war problem on subtraction. Okay, war problem. Our question is: a shopkeeper had 789 kg of wheat in the morning. Okay, he sold 423 kg and 5 gram wheat during the day. How much wheat is left with him at end of the day? देखो the total amount of wheat in the morning. देखो कैसे solution कैसे करेंगे? देखो solution wheat in the first देखो wheat in the morning. Wheat in the morning 789 kg. ओके, मॉर्निंग में इतने wheat था. ओके, उसके बाद wheat sold. Wheat sold out. कितना wheat sold? क्या? 4 is equal to 423 kg 500 gram. Okay. Now the wheat left. Our question is how much wheat is left with him at the end of the day. So wheat now the wheat left. Now wheat left is equal to, देखो माइनस करो, here kg ग्राम 789 kg ग्राम 000 ग्राम. Okay, minus 423 kg 500 ग्राम. ओके, देखो 0 0 here 1 5 8 minus 3 is 5 6 3. Okay, how many wheat left? 365 kg 500 gram. Okay, the weight is left with him by the end of the day was 365 kg 500 gram. Okay, in this way you have to complete exercise 10.4 in your copy. Okay, this is all about your measurement of weight. Okay, all understood? Thank you.